So most people solve this question like 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Then again 8 minus 4 is equal to also 4. Now 4 times 4 is equal to 16, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, first we have to solve this parenthesis, right? So now 8 minus 4. Now solve this parenthesis. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So multiply 4, right? Now here we have one subtraction and here we have one multiplication. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve multiplication, right? So 8 minus 4 times 4 is equal to 16. So 8 minus 16 is equal to minus 8. So the correct answer is minus 8, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virati Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.